Ford F-150 XLT. 70,000 original miles. Beautiful color. Straight body. You can see a reflection in the paint. And it's got one of the best 6-cylinder engines you can get on the market. Sliding rear window. Chrome bumpers. I mean, you can see the cars in the paint and the reflection as they drive by. It's so clean. These door panels are immaculate. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. You've got lumbar adjustment here in the driver's seat. The interior is mint, is perfect. No cracks in the dash, no wear on the leather steering wheel. I mean, it is perfect. This is the only blemish, this little tear there in the seat, and we're actually going to have that fixed, so it won't be there in the coming days. Clean carpets. Let's go ahead and check out these back seats here. Clean carpets in the back. Headliner's good. If you've seen the pictures, the engine's clean enough to eat off of. Let's see what else here. You've got cruise controls on the steering wheel, which are nice. CD player. Let's start her up. Oop. Starts right up. Obviously the radio's working. Turn that off. You can hear the AC blowing. No check engine lights, no airbag lights, no brake lights. Good oil pressure. Good battery, good alternator, doesn't run hot. Turn this down for a second so you can hear it. Alright, I'm going to shift this into drive. Alright, you can see the idle's nice and steady, nice and smooth, right where it should be. Alright, let me turn this air back on because it is a hot day. Brakes are great, they work as they should, no squeaking. You know, we just drove off-road a little bit right there, and obviously the suspension doesn't make any bad noises or no clunks. It's a really smooth ride for a pickup truck. Alright, I'm going to do a stop up here. All of the lights work on the truck. Nice smooth stopping, no brakes squeaking. Right. And here we go. We're driving. Camera on it. Super smooth. Alignment's really straight. All for it. All the transmission shifts are perfect. Over some train tracks here. You know, it's 60 miles an hour and we're doing real well. Thanks for checking out the truck. Give me a call if you have any questions.